When you add an image block, it expands to the full width of the content area. You can decrease its size by adding blocks on either side and resizing the block. To add a spacer block, click an insert point. Choose the spacer block and drag it to the left or right of the image block. Then, click and drag the resize handle to rescale the image. If you want to center an image, add spacer blocks of equal size to both sides. You can use the same method with other blocks, such as text blocks. To cut out part of an image, you can use the built-in editor. First, click Edit in the page content. Pick your image and click Edit again. Once the image panel pops up, click the image editor. Click the Crop button in the upper right-hand corner. Here, you can crop your image in multiple ways. You can drag the corners of the image to adjust the cropping manually, or choose any of the dimensions under Custom or Original. Once finished, click Save. Then click Apply and save once more. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.